In modern chip design, power efficiency affects everything from performance to thermal management. This course gives you the practical skills to tackle real power challenges in your projects. We start with the fundamentals, understanding where power actually goes in digital circuits. We have switching power, glitches, leakage currents, and short circuit power. Then we move to implementation. You learn clock gating with hands on Verilog coding, operand isolation to eliminate glitching, multi voltage and frequency scaling techniques, and power gating for zero leakage states. These aren't just concepts, we show you how to implement them. You'll complete a Verilog coding lab building a production ready clock gating cell and final assignment where you optimize power in a complete design using multiple techniques. These are practical exercises that reflect real industry challenges. Whether you're an RTL designer, verification engineer, or student preparing for VLSI roles, this course builds the foundation you need for power aware design. So, the content of this course comes from industry experience focused on practical implementation. So, thanks for watching and hope to see you inside.